Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download or install Carx Street application or game on your Android. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, you have to go to the Play Store. Actually the game is available in Play Store. Then go to the search bar and search for Carx Street. The spelling will be Carx, then space, then STREET. Then you have to click on the first link, that is 1.1 GB. This is the right application, so you can see the other application just below it. That's not the right one. You have to click on the first one. This is the right one. So you have to click install and you have to wait for it to be installed fully. Then you can just open it and play this game. So that's how you can easily install or download it and play it. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.